In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your routine in Todoist with subtasks. First, open Todoist in your browser or launch the app on your device and sign in. Give the interface a moment to load so you can see your projects list on the left and your task view on the right. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. The key here is simply getting into Todoist so you can access the space where your routines live. Next, open your routine project. This is the dedicated place where you keep recurring tasks like morning, evening, or weekly reviews. Click the routine project in the sidebar to view all the tasks inside it. Think of each main task in this project as a container for one routine, such as morning routine or weekly reset. We're going to make those containers more actionable by adding subtasks that guide you step by step. Choose one routine task you want to refine and open its detail view. Look for the option to add a subtask, then start listing the individual actions that make up that routine. Keep each subtask small and specific so it's easy to check off, like make coffee, review calendar, or clear inbox. Start each one with a verb and arrange them in the order you'll perform them. You can drag and drop to reorder if you change your mind. If there's helpful context, include it right in the subtask name, such as durations or reference notes, so you don't have to think too hard when you're in the flow. As you add subtasks, aim for a balance between clarity and simplicity. Too few and you'll forget steps. Too many and you'll create friction. If a routine happens on certain days, you can keep that schedule on the main parent task and let the subtasks simply guide execution. You can also use labels or priority flags to highlight important steps, but only if they help you focus. The goal is to reduce decision-making when it's time to act. When you're done, your routine project should feel like a clear checklist of parent tasks, each with subtasks that walk you through the routine from start to finish. As you work, check off subtasks to track progress, and when the routine is complete, mark the main task done. Over time, revisit these subtasks and tweak the wording or order to better match how you actually work. That's it. Open Todoist, head to your routine project, and use subtasks to break your routines into simple, actionable steps you'll actually follow.